to Experience Club. Today we're making fluffy slime. This is your beginners, all you need is shaving cream, cornstarch, 1 cup, and glue, and then you need eye contact solution. First step, take 1 cup of glue. We have pre-made glue. Whoa, oh no.
It's okay.
And you're gonna pour it in.
And empty it out with your little spoonie.
You're gonna take the spoon and you're gonna empty it out. All of that. Empty out the spoons.
Okay, now you're gonna put, make sure that stays in the bowl. Now you're gonna put slime filament on inside.
Next stop, you're gonna take 1 cup of shaving cream.
Epic.
We're gonna take it out and put it in our fluffy slime. Now everyone, if you don't know us and this is your first video, it's also because this is our first video that we made.
I'm gonna mix.
So next up, you mix. You can see your slime actually becoming like slime.
Okay.
You can see it looks very nice. You're gonna try to make a little, like a swirl in the middle.
Oh, looks so cool. You can dig it from the bottom, babe. And yeah.
That kind of looks like slime right now.
Looks super well.
It's our first time we're making fluffy slime, so we want to make it nice.
All right, what's next? Cornstarch.
Next is cornstarch.
All right, let's open this up. We're using
Cornstarch.
cornstarch custard.
We're gonna just take a tablespoon of cornstarch.
Mix it super well.
You're gonna try not to put too much. And if you're making this and you're using a spoon, you're not gonna use a wood one. That's gonna stick to the glue. And do you see that slime coming out together?
Mix it super well.
And if you want, you can put flavoring of cotton candy to make the smell. And you can put food coloring and body soap. But we're not gonna do that because we don't want it. Actually, if my mom can get it in time, yeah.
Okay, break that up.
Mommy, did you get body soap? Hey?
You want body lotion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Gonna just keep on mixing while my mom's there. We're actually gonna use a body soap. Gonna mix it super well. You don't want to, you can make a lot because if you want to make this at home, you can also do it. We're not going to do any coloring.
Okay. Whoa, Zoe, are you kidding me?
Where should I?
So cool.
Can I use this? Then we're going to use our body soap. There it is.
Lotion.
My body lotion. Mommy, take this one. I want to take the little.
Can I also do it?
Can you hold it for now?
Let me just get the sides for you.
Thanks, Mommy. I want to make this perfect slime.
It's like super sticky. All right.
Now we need baking.
I did the baking soda already.
Okay, but now we need
Now you need the activator?
Yeah, which is eye solution.
Contact eye solution.
Contact. And then we're gonna start to use
So let's start with
A little bit. You're gonna
a
start
little bit, which is
a
gonna
little bit.
be
You have to make sure that you
a
took.
1/4 teaspoon.
Gonna make sure you mix it all in before adding. You're gonna put a little at a time.
1/4 teaspoon. Okay, we mix.
And then you're gonna wanna use your hands.
No, not yet. Mix really well. Remember to get it from the sides and then put it in. Yeah. There you go.
Whoa.
Do you need more?
Yes.
All right, put a little bit more.
Whoa, I feel the slime. I feel the slime.
Remember she said mix super well until it's not sticky.
You're gonna use it before.
Remember it's glue, so it can be really sticky.
She put her hands in before.
Not yet.
Whoa. I think it's ready to put her hands in. She still
I think mix.
she still mixed it with her hands and put it in solution.
If that's what you want to do.
I do.
Okay.
You can put your hands in at this time, and it actually feels like slime.
Does it?
Yes.
Cloud slime.
We're making fluffy slime, remember, Mommy?
Are clouds fluffy?
Yes.
Tell me if you want more activator.
Yes, please.
Is it too sticky? Mm-hmm.
You're going to mix it very well.
Okay.
Whoa. If you're mixing with your hands, you're going to put it in the circle.
Remember she said she mixed it for a long time.
But this is feeling like slime. Look at that.
Is it fluffy though? Or sticky?
Whoa. It feels like the slime I made today.
Is it working?
But it's not gutty like it. And it's white.
Is it working?
Yep.
It's still too sticky. Mm-hmm. More?
Yes. You will need lots more. Whoa.
All in.
Mix that. And YouTubers, this is going to be very fun for you. Okay? And make sure to hit the like and subscribe.